It begins deep within the earth, where copper for cable wire factory is born.
Raw copper ore for cable wire factory begins its long industrial journey. Across rugged terrain, raw material for cable wire factory moves forward.
At the first stage, copper for cable wire factory is broken down. The crushed fragments for cable wire factory begin refining.
Precision grinding prepares copper for cable wire factory refinement.
Liquid transformation begins for cable wire factory materials.
Purity is achieved as copper rises for cable wire factory. Moisture fades as copper prepares for heat in cable wire factory. Fire unlocks the raw strength of cable wire factory copper. Shape begins to form in cable wire factory production.
Cooling stabilizes the future of cable wire factory wires.
Handled with care, raw copper for cable wire factory is secured. Now, the journey continues toward the heart of cable wire factory.
Across highways, copper for cable wire factory moves with purpose.
A synchronized fleet ensures steady supply for cable wire factory.
The destination nears for cable wire factory materials.
Into the industrial core, cable wire factory awaits.
At the gates, the transformation into cable wire factory begins. Every entry into cable wire factory is carefully controlled.
Precision begins before processing at cable wire factory.
Inside cable wire factory, logistics flow like clockwork.
Arrival marks the next step in cable wire factory production.
All right, hold it right there!
Human precision supports machine efficiency at cable wire factory. The raw core of cable wire factory is revealed.
Machines take over the heavy lifting at cable wire factory.
Material flow continues inside cable wire factory. Within these walls, cable wire factory prepares for transformation. Order and structure define cable wire factory efficiency. From storage to action, cable wire factory moves forward.
Here stands the core of cable wire factory production.
A gateway where raw copper becomes cable wire factory precision.
Security safeguards every step inside cable wire factory.
Inside, movement is orchestrated with precision at cable wire factory. The heart of cable wire factory begins to reveal itself.
From outside to inside, cable wire factory keeps the flow unbroken.
People power the precision behind cable wire factory.
Every process is monitored in real time at cable wire factory.
This is where transformation begins at cable wire factory. Raw copper advances into the next stage at cable wire factory. Heat prepares to reshape cable wire factory materials.
Temperature control defines quality at cable wire factory. Heavy systems operate seamlessly inside cable wire factory.
Everything is set for the next transformation at cable wire factory.
With a single command, cable wire factory comes to life.
Purification begins inside cable wire factory.
Every impurity is stripped away at cable wire factory.
Precision cleaning ensures cable wire factory quality. Chemical balance refines cable wire factory materials.
Purity flows through every stage at cable wire factory. Dry and ready. Cable wire factory materials move ahead. Human eyes ensure perfection at cable wire factory. Technology enhances precision at cable wire factory. Only the best moves forward in cable wire factory.
Nothing is wasted in cable wire factory operations.
Consistency defines cable wire factory production.
Alignment ensures smooth transformation at cable wire factory.
Prepared materials await transformation at cable wire factory.
Now, the true transformation begins at cable wire factory.
At the core, heat reshapes cable wire factory materials.
Solid becomes liquid in the heart of cable wire factory.
Controlled flow defines cable wire factory precision.
Stability ensures quality at cable wire factory.
From liquid to form, cable wire factory takes shape.
Structure emerges in cable wire factory production.
Cooling locks strength into cable wire factory copper.
Surface perfection begins at cable wire factory.
Precision sizing defines cable wire factory quality. Transformation accelerates inside cable wire factory. Layer by layer, cable wire factory refines its core.
Heat restores flexibility at cable wire factory. Cooling prepares cable wire factory wires for shaping.
Now formed, cable wire factory wire awaits refinement.
The journey continues deeper into cable wire factory.
The formed wire advances into transformation at cable wire factory.
Alignment prepares cable wire factory wire for precision work.
Every surface is refined inside cable wire factory.
Clean and dry, cable wire factory wire moves ahead. Protection begins to form at cable wire factory.
Layered precision defines cable wire factory cables.
Cooling locks insulation into place at cable wire factory.
Accuracy is verified in real time at cable wire factory. Every flaw is detected at cable wire factory.
binding ensures integrity at cable wire factory. Another layer strengthens cable wire factory cables.
Cooling perfects the outer shell at cable wire factory. Identity is marked at cable wire factory. Now, automation takes control at cable wire factory.
Automation elevates precision inside cable wire factory.
Efficiency multiplies across cable wire factory systems. Precision placement defines cable wire factory automation. Every length is exact at cable wire factory. Details matter in cable wire factory craftsmanship. Connections are secured at cable wire factory. Form meets function at cable wire factory. Traceability is built into cable wire factory production.
Organization drives cable wire factory efficiency. Smart systems guide every cable wire factory product.
Machines see what eyes cannot at cable wire factory. Only perfection proceeds in cable wire factory. Accuracy is measured at every step in cable wire factory. Products take final shape at cable wire factory. The final refinement begins at cable wire factory.
Final refinement begins inside cable wire factory.
Smooth perfection defines cable wire factory finish. Human precision ensures cable wire factory excellence. Every meter is exact at cable wire factory. Protection extends cable wire factory reliability. Organization brings order to cable wire factory output.
Sealed securely, cable wire factory products are protected.
Heat locks in durability at cable wire factory.
Identity is sealed at cable wire factory. Data confirms precision at cable wire factory. Every package meets standard at cable wire factory.
Ready for dispatch, cable wire factory output gathers. Automation completes the process at cable wire factory. Prepared for journey, cable wire factory products are secured. Final verification awaits at cable wire factory.
Every product enters the final stage of verification at cable wire factory.
Precision begins with careful examination at cable wire factory. No flaw escapes detection at cable wire factory.
Performance is measured with precision at cable wire factory.
Safety is guaranteed at cable wire factory. Strength meets flexibility at cable wire factory. Extreme conditions reveal true quality at cable wire factory.
Even microscopic detail matters at Cable Wire Factory.
Random checks ensure consistent excellence at Cable Wire Factory. Approval confirms perfection at Cable Wire Factory.
Trust is printed into Every Cable Wire Factory product. Only the best leave Cable Wire Factory. Every detail is recorded at Cable Wire Factory. Final approval triggers movement at Cable Wire Factory. The journey reaches its final production stage at Cable Wire Factory.
The final stage begins inside Cable Wire Factory.
Protection ensures safe delivery from Cable Wire Factory. Order and scale define Cable Wire Factory logistics.
Ready for the world, Cable Wire Factory products depart.
And this is how modern industry transforms raw copper into precision Cable Wire Factory cables from start